In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Monday.com. To get started, open Monday.com and go to your workspace. This is the main area where your boards, projects, and team activity are organized. Before building a dashboard, it helps to have a clear idea of what you want to track, such as project progress, team workload, deadlines, or overall performance. A dashboard is useful because it brings important information from multiple boards into one visual space, making it easier to monitor everything at a glance. Once you're in your workspace, click Add or New. This is where you create new items inside Monday.com, including boards, documents, and dashboards. From the available options, choose Dashboard. This will open the dashboard creation process and allow you to start building a central reporting view for your team. Next, select the boards you want to connect. This step is important because the dashboard pulls data directly from the boards you choose. Make sure you connect the boards that contain the information you want to analyze or present. For example, if you want a dashboard that shows task status, deadlines, and team progress, choose the boards where that data is already being managed. Taking a moment here to pick the right boards will make the rest of the setup much smoother. After that, begin adding widgets such as charts, numbers, battery, timeline, calendar, or table. Each widget helps you visualize your data in a different way. Charts are great for spotting trends and comparing categories. Number widgets are useful for highlighting totals or key metrics. Battery widgets can show progress in a simple visual format. Timeline and calendar widgets help you focus on schedules and deadlines, while table widgets give you a more detailed data view. Try choosing the widgets that best match the type of information your team needs to review quickly. Once your widgets are added, customize each widget settings and filters. This is where your dashboard becomes truly useful. You can adjust what data appears, how it's grouped, and which time periods, people, or statuses are included. Filters help keep the dashboard focused so viewers only see the most relevant information. Spend a little time refining each widget so the dashboard is clear, accurate, and easy to understand. Finally, save the dashboard and share it with your team. Once shared, everyone can use the same visual overview to stay aligned and make faster decisions. A well-built dashboard can save time, reduce confusion, and improve visibility across your workflow. And that's how to create a dashboard in Monday.com.